So hello everyone, I'm Daniela Gomez Panogalinog from BTLED 17A. So today I'm going to make a reflections about how human action affects relationship and society. So, our action play a crucial role in shaping the quality of our relationships and the society we live in. So when we show kindness, honesty, and respect, we create a foundation of trust and understanding in our relationships. This strengthens our bonds and helps foster positive connections. No, if naadjut tay ka ng when we show kindness, honesty, and respect sa ato ang usag-usa, so makaka-create jud ta og kaning a good relationship each others, no? So however, when we act out of selfishness, dishonesty, or cruelty, we are damage trust and cause pain, no? Kung mapakita ta nila og kanang mga dishonesty, ng selfishness, so maka-cause jud ta sa ato ang maka-cause jud ta og pain each other, di ba? And then it may leading to a conflict or even the end of relationship. So wala na gud kay makuanan ana if mao nang imong ipakita, di ba? So on a societal level, our connection contribute to the cultural and environment around us. So if we act with empathy and fairness, we encourage a support and inclusive society where people can thrive together, no? Can lead to division, inequality, and a lack of cooperation. Our choices, whether in personal interactions or in how we engage with the world, have lasting effects that influence the relationships we maintain and the society we are part of, no? In the end, the way we treat others shapes the world around us. One action at a time, no? Kung unsa nga to ang gipakita nila, maka-affect yun sa kung unsa tong gipakita sa mga tao na nasa to palibot is grabe jud kana siya og affect, no? By being mindful of our behavior and the impact it has, we can contribute to stronger, healthier relationships and a harmonious society. That's all. Thank you.